forests of Abkhazia buzz with sound of crypto mining rigs with Russia footing the bill. Crypto mining, Russia. Bloggers and media outlets bristle as entire villages hum, with ASIC miners powered by free Moscow-provided electricity. Last updated, January 6, 2025 at 01:30 GMT+2. Author, Tim Alper. Author, Tim Alper. About author. Tim Alper is a British journalist and features writer who has worked at cryptonews.com since 2018. He has written for media outlets such as the BBC, The Guardian, and Chosun Ilbo. He has also worked. Author profile. Share. Copied. Last updated. January 6, 2025 at 01:30 GMT+2. Why trust Cryptonews? Cryptonews has covered the cryptocurrency industry topics since 2017, aiming to provide informative insights to our readers. Our journalists and analysts have extensive experience in market analysis and blockchain technologies. We strive to maintain high editorial standards, focusing on factual accuracy and balanced reporting across all areas, from cryptocurrencies and blockchain projects to industry events, products, and technological developments. Our ongoing presence in the industry reflects our commitment to delivering relevant information in the evolving world of digital assets. Read more about Cryptonews. Add disclosure: we believe in full transparency with our readers. Some of our content includes affiliate links, and we may earn a commission through these partnerships. Read more. Russian citizens are fuming at reports that illegal crypto miners in Abkhazia are using Moscow-provided electricity to power their rigs. Multiple media outlets and social media users have raged after a Polish tourist posted a report and a video appearing to show that ASIC Bitcoin, BTC, miners are operating in rural parts of Abkhazia. These reports come just days after Russia began providing Abkhazia with humanitarian supplies of electricity. Abkhazia, crypto mining crisis. The Caucasus-based de facto state is closely allied with Moscow and is considered a breakaway Georgian republic by most Western and Western-aligned nations. The tourist testified. Entire villages are humming. Mountains and caves are buzzing with the sound of ASIC mining rigs. Cables carrying free electricity are stretching out into the forests. And the forests are also buzzing, too. The tourist also posted a video entitled, "The Sound of ASIC Rigs Over Abkhazia." This video captures what appears to be the sound of whirring fans outdoors in a rural Abkhazian settlement. A journalist for the Russian media outlet Novaya Izvestia wrote, "Mining equipment in this backward, half-ruined country is installed in villages, mountains, forests, and caves." The article was titled, "Thank you, Russia. The illegal miners of Abkhazia are burning up our free electricity." On Telegram, the popular Russian blogger Sergei Kolyasnikov mused, "Look at this video. Can you imagine how many devices need to be operating to make so much noise? And each ASIC rig uses 3.5 kilowatts of power." It seems that Abkhazia has become a Russian crypto mining offshore. Crypto miners to blame as rolling blackouts return in Abkhazia. Timur Dzinzolia, the head of the Abkhazia power provider Chernomornergo, said last month that illegal miners are using up about 350 million kilowatt-hours per year. Despite the influx of Russian power, Chernomornergo has been forced to act, turning off power supplies for a fixed period every day. The power grid, the firm claimed, cannot cope with excessive loads. It claims that the main reason for these loads is illegal mining. The Ministry of Finance of Abkhazia has claimed that it expects to receive over 5 billion rubles, over $45 million, worth of aid from Russia in 2025. Meanwhile, electricity tariffs will increase across Russia from July 2025. In my native Sverdlovsk Oblast, we will pay between 12.6% to 19.5% more for energy this year. Russian blogger Sergei Kolyasnikov. Crypto mining-related controversies have led to public violence at the highest level. Last month, media outlets reported an Abkhazian lawmaker was shot dead during a parliamentary debate on banning crypto mining. In previous years, Abkhazian communities have taken action, forcibly expelling suspected crypto miners to leave their villages. The de facto state endured a torrid end to 2024, with its only power station, which is only partially located in Abkhazia, shutting down on December 11th. Activities at the Anguri hydroelectric power station were paused due to critically low water levels in one of its main reservoirs. The day prior, the government forced internet providers to cut the entire de facto state's internet access for 7 hours. The republic has also seen relations with Moscow deteriorate after politicians voted against agreeing on a new investment deal with Russia. Moscow responded by cutting its funding to the de facto state. In recent days, however, the Abkhazian government has moved to repair its relationship with Russia. The president claimed he would try to strengthen relations with Moscow. We very much appreciate Russia's constant support in overcoming the energy crisis that Abkhazia is experiencing. And we appreciate Russia's help in resolving other socio-economic development issues. Abkhazia President Badra Gunba. Follow us on Google News, Trending News, Price Predictions Recommended Articles. Trump appoints PayPal veteran David Sachs as White House AI and crypto czar Shiba Inu whale snaps up to 20 billion tokens. $1 SHIB possible. Popular crypto expert forecasts last dip before Dogecoin surge. Pepe bounces back with $2 billion in trades. Can Pepe hit $10? Ripple exec says Middle East is building the future of finance, oil money coming to XRP. Press releases. Wall Street Pepe's explosive pre-sale surpasses $40 million milestone. 2 days ago, by Gary McFarlane. Bitcoin News. MicroStrategy plans additional $2 billion stock offering to bolster Bitcoin holdings. 1 day ago, by Ruhalaman Hakanas. Altcoin News. Solana price breaks higher. Eyes $260 ADH retest. Can SOL hit $1,000? 1 day ago, by Joel Frank. Price analysis. Could Ethereum price be getting ready for ADH? 11 hours ago, by Arslan Butt. Bitcoin, BTC, price prediction Ethereum, ETH, price prediction Ripple, XRP, price prediction Dogecoin, Doge, price prediction Solana, SOL, price prediction. Best crypto wallets, best crypto to buy now, best crypto presales to invest in, best new meme coins to buy.